Like a car.
Yeah.
There.
Hello, we're the Roboraiders Black, Team 445, and we're here to deliver a lecture on ocean acidification.
Ocean acidification is one of the bigger problems of climate change. Not only is the atmosphere changing, but oceans are too.
The pH of the ocean lowers as it absorbs carbon produced anthropogenically. This acidity impacts all forms of marine life, including corals and the fish that depend on them.
Between 1800 and 1994, the oceans have absorbed 118 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide, leading to a 150% increase in ocean's acidity. Large drops in oceans of pH have led to mass extinctions, like the Permian extinctions, in which 95% of the ocean's organisms went extinct.
Boom! Hey, who are you guys?
Who are you interrupting our presentation?
Like, sorry, man. We were testing our invention here.
Anyway, ocean acidification is damaging the reefs in 2009.
What? Can you believe these dudes? It's not 2009. And what is this acid in the ocean? Our reefs are fine.
Why don't you take a look at these reefs here? All bleached because of ocean acidification.
I said that this ocean acidification thing is totally bogus. Our reefs are beautiful, man.
Stop bickering, you guys. We're for 2100 and the future is pretty bleak. We have to swim to our teleportation machines.
Seriously? Is this ocean acidification stuff really true?
Well, we have no more diverse ecosystems or any beautiful reefs or any really good tourist economies anymore because of the loss of coral. In Hawaii, the ocean's acidity has increased by 30%. Not many corals can survive. This is what it looks like now, especially in Australia.
Ocean acidification is the biggest threat to our reefs today.
Ha! Got any proof to back that up, scientists?
Thus, in fact, we've been talking with some experts like Dr. Jeff Miculino, Dr. John Rooney, Dr. Oscar Pizarro, and we also spent our summer vacation writing reports on climate change. If you don't believe us, here are our papers.
The experts told us about coral. Between 1968 and 2003, 600 square miles of reef disappeared in the Indo-Pacific region. By 2050, the Great Barrier Reef is expected to be 95% gone.
Well, why should I care about some stupid coral? It sounds like I can eat coral.
Well, high acidity in the ocean means that the homes of these 3,000 to 5,000 different species of fish in Hawaii are destroyed. Take a look at that graph. It shows the amount of fish that will die due to overfishing alone. With ocean acidification, the curve will be much steeper.
But fish are so awesome. Our economy depends on them for food and money.
Even medicine. One day you might be safe from a deadly disease like this coral.
Now that we know everything will be bad, I might go totally out of whack, but what can we do about it?
We're planning to utilize existing OTEC technology and carbon scrubbers to help reduce local CO2 concentration.
OTEC is one of 2100's most important technologies which creates electricity from moving vast amounts of water through those pipes. The water goes through several carbon scrubbers made of calcium hydroxide when the chemical reaction removes the carbon. Carbon then goes to a sequestration facility.
Some proposed OTEC sites for Guam and Diego Garcia, where they would produce potable water for the Navy. If OTEC were applied elsewhere, it would produce electricity, drinkable water, and also small, strong, thriving coral populations in local areas.
Well, that can't be the only solution, right?
It wasn't the only one we tried. Iron seeding didn't work out too well for the environment. The amount of limestone needed to deacidify the entire ocean exceeded 80 billion tons over 20 years. This OTEC solution was one of the better ones.
So, I bet nobody knows about this, right?
The opposite, actually. We spoke to a team from Florida, the energy elites, and shared our solution to ocean acidification. We also talked to faculty members and students at Yale Line School about our project. We consulted several experts like Todd Erickson, most of whom approved our idea.
We also spoke to the public at Whole Foods, telling them about our project and our solution. We also spoke to the 21st Century Ahupua'a Youth Ambassadors. And we talked to Gail Haraguchi, the Deputy Director of Parks and Recreation. We also wrote a letter to the mayor detailing the problem of ocean acidification and our solution.
As a direct result of our research project, a proposal to the National Science Foundation will be made. If this goes through, a facility will be set up where future researchers can learn about carbon sequestration.
That's groovy. Maybe our future can be totally far out after all.
If we execute this plan, just maybe we can save our reefs.
Let's all work together towards a brighter future!
Yay. 454.